असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is Vivek here. In this session, we will discuss about the class 7, chapter 7. The today's topic is profit and loss. So, as we know that what is profit and what is loss. So, profit is, Telugu says it is labam, and loss in Telugu is nashtam. So, when do we get profit? So, when do we get loss? So, profit we get by when selling price is greater than cost price, and loss we get when cost price is greater than selling price. So we already discussed about all these topics. So profit, what is the selling price and what is cost price? If you purchase an article, so the purchased cost is called the cost price, and if you sell the article to others, and that is the selling price, right? So if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get profit. Yes, so to find the profit, what should we do? Then profit equals to the selling price minus cost price. We can do this to find the profit. So that we just write in the simplest form as SP is minus CP, right? After that, loss. So when the cost price is greater than selling price, so cost price, you know, the article we purchased, the cost or purchased price, that is cost price, as we know that, and the selling price is the price which is sold to others, that is selling price. So to get loss, to find loss, we just subtract the selling price from cost price. So CP minus SP. To do this, we get a loss. Then after profit, okay, we find the profit, but then after we should find a percentage of profit. So there is for that we have a formula. So all this profit, loss, percentage of profit and percentage of loss, these are all together is calculated by using cost price. అన్నిటికీ వీటన్నిటిని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మనకు ఒకటి తెలిసి ఉండాలి, అదే కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్. సో ఈ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్తో మనం ప్రాఫిట్ కానివ్వండి, లాస్ కానివ్వండి, ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ ఫైండింగ్ ద పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ లాస్, ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ calculated by cost price. Don't forget about the child. This point is very, very important to us. Right. Next, percentage of profit. To find the percentage of profit, we have another formula, that is percent of profit, that equals profit by, it is better to write if you have a time, and cost price into 100, as well as to find the percentage of loss. So loss by cost price into 100. These are the most useful points regarding profit and loss. Okay, so these are the topics we just completed by the given example problem. So a man purchased an article for 80 rupees and sells it for 100 rupees. Find his gain percentage. Yes, by looking at the problem and looking at the question, I think that you might have got whether it is profit or loss. But still, already we got an idea. What he get? Profit or loss? Yes, absolutely profit. Why did he say that? See, solution, the cost price, the CP is 80 rupees and selling price, that is SP, equals to 100 rupees. Yes, we know that SP is greater than CP. So we get profit. So he gets profit. So how to find profit? Yes, profit equals SP minus CP. So SP selling price is 100 rupees minus cost price is 80 rupees. So we get 20 rupees is the profit. Yes, we get 20 rupees is the profit. So then he is asking you to find his gain percentage. To find the percentage of profit, formula can be used to find the gain percent. So percentage of profit. Profit equals profit by CP into 100. Profit is 20. Cost price 80 rupees into 100. You just substitute all these values. Where do, yeah, I am here. Can you see? Right. Profit is 20 rupees by cost price is 80 into 100. Okay. 21s, 24s, 4 1s, 425s. So finally you get percentage of profit. So how much percent of profit he get? So he get 25% of profit when he purchased an article by 80 rupees and selling by 100 rupees. He get 25%. That's it.
It's caught in